Hey guys, so the first step in today's problem would be to get the square root by itself, and by doing so, you add 18 on both sides, and when you do that, you get square root of 8x plus 17 equals 9. So the next step to do would be to get rid of the square root, and in order to get rid of the square root, you square it. When you square it, it cancels out and it equals 8x plus 17 equals 81. The next step would be to get rid of the 17 and get x by itself. So you subtract 17 on both sides, and you're left with 64. 8x equals 64. But you're not done quite yet. You have to divide 8 on both sides. And when you do that, x equals 8. That is the answer for today's problem. 8. So guys, in case anybody was confused with the last problem, I have right here another problem that may clear the air for some of you. So the first step in this problem would be to add 9 on both sides. And when you do so, you get positive 2. So you get 3x minus 8 equals 2. The next step would be to square it. When you square this, then you are left with 3x minus 8 equals 4. So the next step would be to get rid of the 8 by adding it on both sides, because what you do to one side, you have to do to the other. And you are left with 3x equals 12. But you're not done quite yet. You divide 3 on both sides to get x by itself, and when you do so, you get x equals 4.